Ramkrishna Forgings Ltd, a forged components manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1981 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2004. They are based in Kolkata, with more than 1,100 employees and 5,200 workers. They have 7 manufacturing plants, located in Jamshedpur, Howrah, and Kharsawan, with production capacity of 210,900 metric tons per annum. There are plans to increase the production capacity to 308,400 metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2025. The market cap of the company is 13,010 crore rupees and currently trading at 720 rupees per share. The company has a 45% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 153% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures diverse components for automotive and non-automotive segments. They manufacture more than 2,000 products. These components are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 77% of the revenue is generated from automotive, 4% from railways, 5% from mining, 1% from oil and gas, and 13% from other industries. The company is showcasing strong financial records, with 153% CAGR for 3 years profit growth. There has been small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign investments and some domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. In November 2023, company raised around rupees 1,000 crores at a premium of 612 rupees per share from qualified institutional buyers. Some clients of the company are Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Daimler, Mack Trucks, Indian Railways, SAIL, Ford, Volvo, Scania, and more. About 58% of the revenue is generated from Asia, 16% from Europe, and 26% from North America. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the second largest forging company in India. They offer more than 2,000 products for auto and non-auto components. In 2023, company acquired Multitech Auto and JMT Auto, which complements the company's business. They have 4 wholly owned subsidiaries. In February 2024, company received an order of $220 million in North America. In February 2024, company received approval to set up a new manufacturing plant in Mexico. In April 2024, company received an order of rupees 270 crores for bogie frames for Vande Bharat trains. They export to more than 22 countries from Asia, North America, and Europe, with a revenue concentration of 43% from exports and 57% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.